Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So gold was in correction for the last couple of days, and on Saturday, market closing above 2850 was very crucial as we discussed. And yesterday also we discussed the possibility of gold taking support around 2850 and going up. And we can see that right now gold is trading around 2890, far away from 2800 and also quite far away from 2850. So in simple words, we can assume that gold is again continuing the overall trend again. And what is the overall trend of gold? The overall trend of gold was bullish. And as we all know, we needed a correction badly. So, okay, we got the correction, and right now gold is trying to go up again. So if you have any buy, okay, if you have any ongoing buy on gold right now, you can hold your position. Yesterday also we discussed that, okay, there is a good possibility of gold going up, but it was risky for us. So I told you guys that go with a small lot size. If you see gold going up, okay, you can accumulate more. So if you have done that, you can hold your buy position with your stop loss below 2870. Okay. Why placing a stop loss below 2870? Because if you look at the contracts data here, we can see around 2900 we still have a good number of contracts, and 2900 is the only number where we have good contracts standing. Okay, otherwise you can see the around 2920, 2925. Okay, the number of contracts are less in comparison to 2900. And since last night we can see market struggling around 2900. So 2900 may be a difficult number to cross for the market. But if market stays like this, then obviously eventually gold will break 2900 and head higher. But as of now, market is struggling, and that we cannot deny. And if you look at the market sentiment, gold held steady. Gold steadied around 2880 per ounce on Tuesday, with investors assessing the economic outlook as US President Donald Trump prepares to impose tariffs on key trade partners. Gold holds steady with all eyes on Trump tariff plans. So overall, the market sentiment is bullish. There is no doubt about it. NFP is coming on Friday. So till Friday, we can expect that this market sentiment will be dominating, because NFP is the only event, NFP CPR, the only events that can change the direction of the market. So till then, this will be continuing. And if this market sentiment dominates, then obviously gold will be bullish. Okay. So this is the situation now. So what should we do now? So again, I'm repeating, if you have any ongoing buy right now, if you have taken buy around yesterday, hold your buy position. And if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, then you need to wait for the level. Do not be impatient. Market give opportunities to everyone, but you need to be patient. Otherwise, you will be paying a heavy price. So if market fails to cross the yesterday's high, okay, if market fails to cross the yesterday's high of 2895, then we can expect the next support to be around 287270. This is the first support on the chart of gold, and the second support is around 2864 to 2862. These are the two support levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. Why? Let me show you. First of all, 287270. Why? Because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Okay, we can already see FIBO is working. So if the volume of the market remains like this, yes, volume of the market remains like this, because sometimes during the US session, market gets crazy. Okay, if market gets crazy, market forms a big red candle, use your common sense. Okay, but if market remains like this, then 2872, 2870 is the first support. Because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level, plus we can also see the previous resistance will be working as support. Along with that, we also have the 50 moving average coming up. If we combine all the factors, this seems to be a good support for a market if market comes for retracement. Okay, the second support, the pink line, okay, is around 286462 because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Okay, and also we have good support around this area. If the volume of the market is not crazy, okay, then we can definitely expect these levels to provide support to the market. Initially, you can target 40 to 50 pips. If you see market is further potential, you can hold. After 40 pips, if you see market struggling, you can exit. I will exit because I'm a 40 pips guy. And on the other hand, okay, and on the other hand, if market doesn't come down and if you see market going up, you can look for a buy above 2896. Okay, because we can look for buy at breakout, but it's risky because already we have seen that we have a good number of contracts standing at 2900. I'm not saying that there will be a trend reversal, but there will be some fight, there will be some action. So at this moment, okay, if you see then market is going on 2896, okay, go with a small lot size. Okay, go with a small lot size because it is risky. For example, you go with a big lot size and after 20-30 pips, if the breakout fails, you will be in trouble. So go with a small lot size. And if you don't want to take risk at all, okay, then what you can do is you can wait for the market to come down, because no market goes up in a straight line, no market goes down in a straight line, isn't it? Market will be coming down. So when market will come down for retracement, the same level will be the new support, means the previous resistance will become the new support. Okay, there you can buy around 2900 to 898 area you can buy. So when it will be the new support for the market, so you can avoid at buying at breakout, you can wait for the market to come down. And if you're a scalper, if you see market is bullish, then you can look for a quick sell around 2909, 2910, around this blue line here, because we have the 200 moving average coming down. And we also have the FIBO 61.8% retracement level. So why only for scalpers? Because see, if market breaks 2900, then obviously market will be bullish. Taking a sell in a bullish market is against the trend of the market. It is riskier. So if you take a sell in a bullish market and you are holding expecting a reversal, that is a foolish decision. So that's why I said that if you have the scalping skills, then you can look for 30-40 pips around 2909, 2910 area. Otherwise you can avoid. But as of now, okay, I think you should wait for the right opportunity to come if you do not have any buy. And my dear friends, finally, okay, I have decided the dates for the workshop. It will be in the month of April. So last workshop was in December. Okay, now in April. Only 3 times a year. Okay, so if you're interested, my dear friends, then you can join now also. I will be adding you to the WhatsApp group. You will be receiving free market updates, analysis on the WhatsApp group, okay, during this period. Okay, and these are the dates here. I will paste the link in the description. So it's a 7 days workshop, followed by 1 month support, especially for those people who are struggling with the market, who knows about the basic stuff, okay, who knows about all the technicals, but still struggling, unable to make money. Okay, I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language, दोनों language में होता है. Okay, so if you're struggling, you're most welcome to join. Okay, everything is mentioned on the website. Okay, if you feel that okay, it will be useful for you, you're most welcome to join. Along with the classes, okay, you can also see I'll be giving you risk management guide, checklist calculator, and many other things. And these are the topics for the weekly sessions. So total 7 classes. So those who only want to participate in the workshop with 1 month support, okay, you just need to pay $20 or rupees 1500. And if you're looking for personal sessions, longer support, okay, then you can join with semi-annual or lifetime as well. In lifetime support, you'll be getting 6 personal sessions with me, and obviously I'll be getting in touch with you always. And semi-annual, okay, is for 6 months with 2 personal sessions. These 2 semi-annual and lifetime sessions are okay, useful for those who are struggling with the market, looking for mentorship, guidance, and all. So payment methods are mentioned here. Once you are done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group. Okay.